know where we went. My dear, don't unfold me. I'm calling it again in green where my red love lies. Was it don't wear your winning prize. Let it fool. But I don't know where we went. My dear, don't unfold.
Once again, good morning, Teegan and Jeromie. Welcome
Thank you.
to this beautiful place, Nung Nung Waterfall. Love is much more than a tender cares and more than bright hours of cheerful happiness. For a lasting love is made up of sharing both hours that are joyous and also despairing. It is made up of climbing the steep hills together and facing with courage life's stormy weather. And nothing on earth is ever going to part a love that has grown to be part of the hearts. And just like the sun, the stars, and the sea, this love will go on through eternity. Teegan and Jeromie, you are two lucky souls that have entered into each other's life to a point where one's life would not be whole without the other. You have a deep love in devotion for each other and have chosen to forsake all others and enter into a life together filled with love, happiness, and respect. Your commitment to each other is eternal, and you have chosen to be companions for the rest of your lives. Thank you. Now, please face to face each other. It is the time for you to declare your vow. Come on, Jeromie, you may go first.
Okay. I, Jeromie Navin, take you, Teegan Puglisi, to be my wife, to have and hold you from this day forth for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, whom I love and to cherish until death do us part. This is my solemn vow and my promise.
All right. Teegan, join hand.
I, Teegan Puglisi, take you, Jeromie Navin, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death do us part. This is my solemn vow and promise.
All right. Well, join your hands. Teegan and Jeromie, may you always have a deep faith in each other. May you always live together in peace, goodwill, and love for the rest of your life. As a symbol, as your commitment and love, you will now exchange your rings. Jeromie, please take this ring. Place it on Teegan's finger, then repeat after me. Teegan,
Teegan,
wear this ring
wear this ring
from this day on
from this day on
as a token of my unconditional love
as a token of my unconditional
and
love
fidelity.
and fidelity.
It is a symbol of the bond
It is a symbol of the bond
we have made today
we have made today
for our future together.
for our future together.
Okay. Teegan, take this ring, place it, and please repeat after me. Jeromie,
Jeromie,
wear this ring
wear this ring
from this day on
from this day on
as a token of my unconditional love
as a token of my unconditional
and
love
fidelity.
and fidelity.
It is a symbol of the bond
It is a symbol of the bond
we have made today
we have made today
for our future together.
for our future together.
All right, press it.
This
Did you? I watched my other thing.
Jeromie and Teegan, according to your intention and vow, and by the authority committed to me, and with pleasure, I pronounce you husband. and wife.
Thank you.
Congratulations! You want to celebrate your marriage with a kiss. Kiss your bride. Congratulations!